It's the same product that we designed by ourselves. Kids get a box like this with different boards that have different parts in them, and after that they get a soldering iron that they use to solder the boards, and we teach them how to solder, and afterwards, after they're done, we check the boards if they're good and they're working, and if they do, we continue with the programming on our web-based software that's with blocks, but for other students it could also be on C, the program language C. So this is one of the projects. This is a parking lot system. When you turn it on, it restarts to its basic position. And let's say this is the entrance. And if my hand is like a car and the car moves in, the barrier goes up, as if a car went in. Our parking lot can take up to 2 cars, so we've got one in already, and then we get another one, so we've got 2 cars in. But if we try to get another one in, it wouldn't let us. This is a project that could be made by 2 students. They have to work together, which is good for the students because they can learn from each other. We've got other projects, like say this, which is automatic watering system. So here you would have the plant. Here you have a sensor that is for how moisture the soil is, and here you put the water. From here you put the water actually, and different things you might need if the plants need it. You put the water, and when the sensor knows that the soil is too dry, with help of a motor, the water is going to the plant. We've also got another interesting project, which is this solar charging system. It uses a solar panel which turns at 360 and looks for light, and where the most light is, that's where it stops and it charges the batteries. With easier project because the students need to learn the basics first and then upgrade their knowledge.